Hey, see my soap. My name is Onyinye. I'm super excited this afternoon. Indeed, soap making is very fun when you got the right person to teach you. Thank God I came across Gloma Jokes Enterprise. She's just a darling. See, I was scared of all these YouTube channels, but immediately I contacted Gloma Jokes. She was just there for me. She was there guiding me. And me, I like to ask questions. I was disturbing her with question. I thought I thought that she would get angry. Oh no, she's just an angel. For once, she didn't get angry with me or get upset with me. She was there guiding me, making sure even when I fail, she will be encouraging me not to give up, that I'll get it right one day. And this is the result. See my beautiful soaps. See them. Not just soap, but they are beautiful. Bar soap. She guided me all through. She did not let me down. Thanks. I'm so proud of you, Global Joss. Thanks for being my teacher. Thanks for being my mentor. Thanks for not giving up on me. Thanks. See my beautiful soap. Hi, good evening. See my soap. I'm super grateful. I'm super happy. Finally, I'm able to get the smooth of the soap. See, it's very smooth, like baby and me soap. Very smooth. The texture is very smooth. It smells nice. See. See my small soap made this afternoon. See the cup that made this soap. See the cup that made this soap. I'm giving it out. I want to give it to someone. See the soap. I don't know how much they will sell this small soap. I think it's 15 naira if you want to sell it. But though I'm not selling it, I just want to give it out. The orange color is very fine. Soap making is fun when you know what you are doing. If really you have the passion, it's very fun making soap. See the cup. I think it's 15 naira soap. No soda soap. This is not soda soap. It's real soap. Bar soap. Thanks.